Hi, I'm Bernie and I'm here to show you how you can make a positive change and be a force for good in your industry and for the planet. Waste-Free Systems was born to help hairdressing businesses reduce the amount of waste going to damaging landfill. We collect and repurpose the waste to fund valuable community programs to help others in need, and we make it easy for you to make a difference. We work with all types of salons, both large and small, showing you how to make that environmentally conscious change that our planet needs. You don't even need to know anything about recycling. We have the expertise and the systems in place to take care of all the details. Our simple smart bin system helps you separate your waste on the premises. We arrange the pickup, and wherever possible we look for ways to repurpose up to 90% of that salon waste. That's waste that otherwise would have gone into landfill or into our beautiful waterways. And while you're saving the planet, you'll also be supporting important community projects like Food Bank, Brave Hearts and homeless support organisations. We're excited to be the first in the industry to provide live data on what we've picked up from your salon and the savings that's made to the environment. What a wonderful thing to share with your clients and promote on your social media. Is it time that you make the change to a sustainable and responsible business model? Join the community of businesses just like you who are committed to making a difference with eco-friendly waste management.